All right, everybody ready to roll. So, if you guys haven't been told yet, CID finally received the decrypted metadata from those marked MindJot drives that we seized a week or so ago. The data from the images on the drives corroborates information our guys have put together on a small operation running out of the row. We're heading over to 7408 Martinez Boulevard with a warrant for the arrest of George Brixley. Current intel, our target has a prior conviction for kidnapping. Did some time in Leavenworth, about 3 years. He also has a prior felony for conspiracy and sexual assault. He's not going to want to go back to jail. Brixley has firearms training, and we assume he's going to be armed. The structure we will be entering has some quirks to it. Jackson, the intel you gathered last night, what's up with this place?
He's running some sort of talent agency, round the clock, all week. Weekends are his busiest times, so minimum 1 female in the building. Likely more. Could be children, too.
Okay, so we could have kids in there. Moving on, the structure has 3 known entrances. One on the main road, side one, that goes through the reception. One on the 3rd side of the building, and one on the 4th side. We don't know much about the internal space. Floor plans we've got are from the former owners of the building, who had it set up as a clinic. Speaking of clinics, medical. We'll have RAs on scene, as well as pediatric ambulances in case there are any kids. Primary hospital is going to be YMH. Secondary, if we have multiple patients, is going to be Coastal Grove Medical Center. For radio, we're going to be operating on TAC 5 Central Tactical. Make sure your radios are set to TAC 5. Backup channel is going to be TAC 1. Okay, question time. Anyone?
What's our go for use of NFDDs?
Interior deployment is authorized based on assessed need. Bang a room if you have to. Anyone else? Perfect. All right, let's go. Remember to watch your mouth. Everything is being recorded. All the time.
I got you.
Talk to element. Entry team, suspects have taken refuge in the area and are refusing to cooperate. Move in.
Police! Hands up! Don't move!
Element to talk.
Suspect is
Got a
down.
suspect down
This
here.
is
Hands
talk.
up! Down on your
Copy that, entry
goddamn, put
team.
your fucking
Proceed
hands
with
up.
mission.
Let me see those hands. I'll bag it. Got a bag. Suspect ready to go.
Contact down!
Suspect is down but breathing. Cuffs are on. Got it bagged.
Cuff him.
I'll get them ready. Stay calm and quiet until we're done.
Don't any cuff.
Entry team to talk.
Talk to entry team.
time of year, man. Super wet and super humid.
Police, drop the...
Contact is down.
Get down, now!
Cuff raining.
Cuff him.
Anything on you that might hurt me?
Damn it.
You just made a big mistake.
Make it a mistake.
Talk to entry team. Roger, trailers inbound.
Please stop!
I got it.
Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon and get hands on your head! Do it now! Secure.
God.
Calm down.
Element on top. One cuff. Compliant.
Talk reporting. Roger,
Post up and cover the
trailers
area.
inbound.
Move there.
Heading out now. Moving into handcuff. Civilian ready to go. Top. Civilian ready for transport.
Talk to element. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
LSPD, go!
It's
Get
just a
down on your
talent
knees!
agency.
Cuff her.
I'll get him ready.
Put your hands...
I got it.
Entry team to talk. Suspect down.
Talk reporting.
I'm like 6.
I'm with you.
Talk reporting. Copy entry team. Notifying direction.
Contact is down! Run it down!
I'll see.
Securing.
Evidence secured.
Evidence secured.
Police, get your hands up above your head! Zip them up.
Moving into handcuffs.
Civilian restraint.
Civilian is good to go. Civilian secured.
This is Talk. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Police, hands up! Get down
I'm
on the
gonna
ground
do it.
now! Turn around and stay still.
I'll get him ready. Gotta do this for safety. Set them ready.
Me, please.
Lead to talk. Civia's ready.
Talk to element. Roger. Trailers
Down! Keep your
inbound.
hands up! Get down! I want to see hands! Put your hands up! Just don't shoot! Hands on your head! Now, hands on your head!
What the hell is this doing? Copy that. Put him on safe and let him hang. Great job.